the farm with us in Discover the Farm, a quick look at cows, chickens, and more. Join the charm of rural life in just a few short minutes. Let's start. First one, the Gentile cow. Cows are gentle mammals raised for milk and meat production, commonly found grazing in pastures. Let's venture into the meadow and say hello to the fluffy sheep. Sheep is known for wool, meat, and milk. Sheep graze in flocks on farms. Now, onto the barnyard where we'll meet the lively goat. The versatile goats are raised for milk, meat, and fiber, known for their curiosity and agility. Next up, let's visit the chicken co-op and meet the cheerful chicken. Chickens, known for their clucking sounds, are raised for eggs and meat. Let's gallop over to the stable and meet the majestic horse. Horses are used for riding, racing, and agricultural work. Now meet with the cheerful duck, raised for eggs and meat, are commonly found near ponds or water sources. Say hello to the furry friend, the rabbit, known for its cute twitching nose and fluffy tail. Now time to explore the meristic turkey. Turkeys are known for their gobbling sounds. Let's meet the enduring buffalo. Buffalo are known as large mammals domesticated for milk, meat, and work in some regions. Gobbling up our attention, it's time to meet the festive peacock. Peacock, ornamental birds known for vibrant plumage and unique sounds. Now, onto the barnyard where we'll meet the lively quail. Quails are known for their rapid movements and distinctive calls. Now meet with last but not least alpaca. Alpacas are kept for fiber production. Thanks for watching our educational story, and don't forget to subscribe for more education and fun videos with Kids Hub.